Everybody, it is Michaelville here with another video. So, it's been about 1 day since I've got to my house here in Westville, and I've set up a little bit, and yeah, and this is a house tour, if you can already tell that by the title. There's going to be two parts of the house tour. This one is part one, obviously, and I'm just going to be showing you downstairs and my yard. And then part two will be my upstairs, because I have an upstairs, and, it's a 2-story house. So, there you go. So, I'm outside on the street right now, because, yeah. And I'm only been here for a little bit. I haven't actually got everything set up. So I do need to get some things still set up in my house. Like my office still needs to be set up. Yeah, and right now I'm filming with my phone, because I don't know where my GoPro is, which is kind of a problem. I need to find it. So, it's in one of the boxes. Anyway, yeah, here's my garbage cans, interesting, stuff right there. We got the mailbox, my, one of my cars here, my garage. I'll show you that when I go inside my house. I guess we can walk around here, and all that's really on the side of the house right here is this. I just got this, some AC units, and that's it on the side of the house. The trampoline. Now, if you're wondering why I have a trampoline, because of my age, and I'm 59, why the heck do I have a trampoline? It's because of Ryder. I just have a trampoline, so when Ryder comes, because Ryder actually has his own own room in my house upstairs, which you will see his room. Because, he stays with me a lot sometimes. So, he has a trampoline, he has a room, yeah. This is my patio. I got just, that out. My pool, yeah, I have an up-ground pool. I did get water in it, though. I have water in it, so. I actually was able to do a lot yesterday, when I left my other house and came here, so. Now, this is, my dog Coco's, doghouse, okay? Now, Peanut doesn't have a doghouse, here. So I was planning on getting, Peanut one, mostly because I leave usually, since I'm gonna be walking now, I usually leave, Coco just out, and does that, and I have food out and water and everything, a whole bunch of it, and yeah, but since I'm gonna probably do the same thing with Peanut, I want Peanut to also have a doghouse. I'm gonna have to get a big one, obviously, and put right here. But I do want to do that. It'll be great. So, yeah. Also, I have a rock there, a little tree. The rock, that was kind of here when I got here. The tree actually wasn't here when I got here. I actually planted that when I got the house. And it's actually growing pretty good. I have my grill out now. I took it out of my shed. I got some firewood because I do have a fireplace in the front room. So, yeah. And, yeah, my tree, my shed right here. I guess I could make this a shed review. Shed review, too. Yes. Well, we review sheds. I don't even have the keys right now to this, so I might not. You can just look through the windows. Look in there, It's not really that special anyway, It ain't that special. I gotta be honest. There's a push lawnmower, a wheelbarrow, chainsaw, my bike, my mountain bike. That's all that's in there. Yeah. I would show you, I guess, actually go in, but, I don't have the keys right now. So, I'm not going to. So, yeah, that's how that's gonna, yeah, I'm not doing that, because I would, but, I don't have the keys, with me right now, so I'm not going to. If I had the keys, I would. Okay, so yeah, let's come in here though. Yeah. So this is, you walk in the door, and yeah. So walk in the door here. I do have an alarm system, of course, and I just have this here. I have my nice American flag, because you know me. If you watch my videos, you know I'm American. I did get a bed for Peanut, and it seems Peanut seems to like it. Has been seeming to like it, so I'm glad about that. So you know, and Coco's just over there on his bed. And yeah, I got the TV up right there, and the fireplace, and this is just my front room. And yeah, I might actually take you guys into the garage first, actually, now I think about it. Yeah, let's go in the garage, and then we will go into my big kitchen. Really big, yeah. I got some, like a lot. I got Ferraris in here. I got another push lawnmower. I'm being truthful though. This one, is garbage. It's the same brand, but it's garbage because it's dead. Something's wrong with. I don't know what's wrong with it. So, yeah. Yeah. I just got some pretty much hot rods in here. You know, sport cars. And a walk here. I got a vacuum over there, a shovel, the hot water heater. It's a garage. And I know it's not, it's a big garage, so it's, you know, it's not, it doesn't have a whole huge mess in there, you know, of just random stuff. Also, I know, you guys, like, I bought this house, you know, it's not like I had this house built. This is just, it's all black and white. I don't know why the designer of the house was like, hey, let's make it all black and white, which I don't mind it. I kind of like it. It could have been a little better, maybe, if it wasn't all, but still, I like it. You know, it's a big kitchen. This is a big, big kitchen, as you can probably see without me having to say anything. Hey, it's a big kitchen. I think you guys can probably tell that it's a big kitchen, but, yeah. I do like it. You know, it's actually a pretty good kitchen. I really do like it. You know, I do have a lot of cooking space and stuff. Now, I do cook, but, now this is the kind of kitchen I think I should have at my other house in the Westville Mountains, because I do cook, guys. I do cook dinner and stuff, but I, don't really cook that much at this house, because I come home really late, and I usually just have to get food from either a restaurant or just heat up some ramen noodles or something. Some days I'll cook, but I do get home late, so I don't always cook. And here, again, this is my signature thing right here, but first coffee, yep, because coffee's the best. I did move this, my coffee sign. It used to be over there by the fridge. So, you know. And I got to, see, this is like, look how many, look how much I can cook, you know. Look at that. Now, it's weird how I have so many of cooktops, but I only have, I only have 2 ovens. I should have, 50. I'm kidding. But, for this house, I'm good. I don't need anything else in this kitchen. But, maybe a bigger fridge. I'm kidding. Well, maybe. For, a lot of snacks and stuff like that. But, yeah. I did get some things set up, though. When I do cook, I got my spices out. I got my olive oil. I set some things back up. There was nothing on the counters. There were a few things. I didn't have any bananas. I did put my bananas on there. I did have that. Yeah, some of this was here when I got here, because, you know, it's not like it's going to get ruined. Oh, yeah, and I have been here a day. I have had food, guys. I have ate a real meal. So I did actually cook, yesterday. I got here yesterday, guys. I did cook though yesterday. It's the next day, so I did cook when I got home after I did a few things, but yeah. And this is the dining room. The biggest dining room, right? I guess it's probably not the biggest, but it's like the fanciest. It's not even the fanciest. I've seen better. Yeah, my parents' house. It's a lot better, and I don't care because I don't have like a huge amount of people just come to my house. So yeah, this is too much. I don't even eat in here, guys. This is yeah, I don't even come in here that much because, yeah, I don't need this. But it is formal, and I have used it before for, like, family things, but I don't do it that much, so I'm not in here that much, you know? But it is nice, I gotta say. I do like it. This is a pretty nice, fancy little, you know, dining room. I don't know why I said little. I don't think... A lot of people, you guys probably wouldn't call this little. Even the people you guys have... a dining room, then another dining room, a bigger one, you know, that's like for a big family dinner or something. You probably don't have a grand piano in your dining room. I don't know, maybe you do, but I do. My parents do too, because it's a thing, I guess. So I got one too. So yeah, it's a thing now. But yeah, that was my dining room. I actually don't, again, I like it, you know, I like this house, so, yeah. Here was my second front room, you know, I actually never sit in here, because, man, this one's white, guys, and it's like really, it's the only place that's carpet, which sucks. As you can see, a lot of my houses don't even have carpet. I have hardwood and stuff. This little area has, like, carpet. It sucks. And it's white. That's the worst thing. It's white. Yeah, you better. I make sure people take their shoes off when I do have company. Like, this is a great front room for people to just come and talk, obviously. But you better take your shoes off. You better have clean feet, too. Can't step on this without clean feet, because I gotta clean it. I do have... And I feel like someone's probably gonna ask... I do take care of my own house, guys. I don't hire somebody, which I have thought about it. My other house, obviously, it's not as bad. This one's huge, and I have thought about hiring somebody to clean it, because, you know. And also, I have my bedroom right here. Not my bedroom, a guest bedroom right here. It's pretty nice, actually. I really do like it, and I have an alarm going off right now. And, yeah, but, yeah, this is a pretty nice bedroom. I'm not going to show you what's in there. It's just a closet. It's a guest bedroom. I have a few. You know, Ryder's bedroom is technically just a guest bedroom, but he did customize it just a little bit, you know, because it's his now for when he comes over. And then there is this door. It just takes you into the downstairs bathroom, you know. Yeah, you gotta... You know, I don't always use this because it's just downstairs bathroom. Because my office is upstairs and stuff like that, so I don't always use this. And yeah, so, yeah. It's pretty nice though. I do use it when I'm downstairs, like when I'm just, because I do watch TV down in the main front room, so yeah. Also, this door here is just another entry to the dining room. And then I have my windows there. Now, this is the last room downstairs, so kinda. Obviously, you can see it has another window and door outside to, you know, so, you know, it's a locker room in my house. It's a locker room in my house, you know. It's it's a locker room in my house. I don't think it's normal. I got it, though. I don't even have parties, so yeah. But then you come through this door, and then you got a shower. It's like literally... It's awesome, though. It is awesome. And then there's just a bathroom in here. sink and everything and a toilet. It's real fancy like, you know. And then you got a whole thing now. It's like, it's really fancy, you know, because I'm fancy. And I have a fancy house here, but I don't even, yeah. But, yeah. But that is really it for downstairs and outside. And I, like, most of it, like the guest bedroom, obviously I never use unless I have a guest, and I usually don't have guests, you know, and, you know, I'm mostly in this room. My rooms I'm in the most are my front room here, this front room, the kitchen, my office, and my bedroom are the rooms I'm in the most. And sometimes I go outside on the patio and just sit out there, you know. But, yeah. But that is going to be the end of the video for today. Yeah. I have got moved back in, though. There's a few things I still need to do. I actually still have to set up my office again. I don't even have my PCs up. I don't even, like I said at the beginning, I don't even know where my GoPro is. So that's why I'm filming with my phone, because I don't know where my GoPro is. If I knew, I would have been filming with that. But, yeah. So, but there will be another video, another tour, part 2. Of the second story, so be looking out for that, and see you guys in the next one. And also make sure you leave some comments, tell me what you think about my house, and no comments about how it's black and white. I already hear you probably already left some comments. No comments about it all being black and white. Okay, good comments, you know, good comments, like you like how big my kitchen is. Or maybe you hate how big my kitchen is. Something like that. I don't need to hear how it's all black and white, okay? I just bought this house, okay? I bought the house because I liked how big it was. And it's actually a pretty nice house. Minus it's a lot of black and white. But still, I love it. And I've lived here for a few years, so no judging. But yeah, see you guys in the next one.